What up, y'all? Back with another video. Man, I'm just cleaning up the Merc. Step out so y'all can see it real quick. We ain't done yet. Yeah, I got my gloves on so I don't get all this stuff on my hands, whatnot. But we cleaned up the Merc, man. I'm about to shine up this grill, all my chrome pieces, door handles, little stuff like that. But this us right here. Then I'm gonna clean up everything on the inside because I just made a mess to clean up a mess. Ain't that something? Yeah, got my paper towels there. Some good old glass cleaner. Microsoft. You know, gotta hit my screen up, get all them fingerprints up off of there. Yeah, man, but just wanted to check in with y'all real quick, man, see how y'all great peeps out there doing. Yeah, buddy. Oh, man, I gotta let y'all know something, man. This what's been going on. And I don't know if it's because of the name brand that I bought, but let me see. You can't tell right now. I wish it was nighttime, but the bulbs that I put in here, for some reason, down here on this side, it keeps popping. If anybody know why that's happening, be highly thankful on that information. But yeah, man, these two up here, these two are fine. They haven't popped. Well, these three, should I say? These three hasn't went out since I put them in. The driver side has not went out. Down here, this one down here has not went out. There we go. Focus. So the light bulb that's down there, it hasn't went out. The three up here hasn't went out, and what else? The license plate. The license plate one has not went out. But like I said, the one, I'm sorry for the roller coaster ride, y'all. The one right here on my passenger side, it keeps on popping. I thought it was my wife and kids kicking that mud out, but their feet is not even close by it, so something's going on. Either the current is too strong right there, or it's just, I don't know if I got a bad batch of lights. I won't blame it on that so far, because these three are still holding up, like I said. But we'll get to that in a whole nother video. For now, we just cleaning up the Merc. Just wanted you guys to see what we got going on here. A cold drink. Actually, I don't know if it was from opening the canned cold drink or what, but it's got this where it's hard to turn. But luckily, I got some handy dandy tools here. You know what I'm talking about? Some little screwdrivers here and there. So I'm gonna actually take this one off, and I'm gonna clean this up real good and pop it back in there. So yeah, man, it's your boy Merc Life B. I'll catch you guys in the next one.